Princess Diana. Correct. What is the exact birthday of the debutant? Go!
September 20, 2008.
September 20, 2008 is correct. The score is all one. What was Diana's favorite childhood TV series? 1, 2, 3, go! Ano kaya yan? Any guess? Nagpaparty na si boyfriend. 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is Dora the Explorer. Dora! Picture! Which country does Diana dream of visiting and working in someday? Wala pa. 1, 2, 3, go! Nauna si boyfriend. Saan yan? Switzerland? May ganyan ba sa Switzerland? You're wrong. Europe? Gusto ko yung particularly dalawang letter lang yun, di ba? Tutukan mo,
United Kingdom.
United Kingdom! Which app does Diana spend the most time on? 3, 2, 1, go! Para masisira yung buzzer ko. 1, 2, 3, go. TikTok is? Correct. TikTok. Guess me if you can. What is Diana's favorite flower? In 3, 2, 1, go! Tulips is wrong. How about you, boyfriend? Dapat alam mo to.
Lily of the Valley.
Mali. Iba yung nakalagay dito. Boyfriend ka ba talaga?
Madami pa.
Hindi. Pwede yun. Dapat alam mo yun. Ito naman. Orchids is wrong. 3, 2, Daisies is correct. Oh! Score natin ay 3, 2. What song could Diane listen to on repeat without getting tired of it? Anong kanta kaya yun? In 3, 2, 1, go! Parang masisira naman yung 3. Grabe ka naman.
Specific song po or yung band nilagay niyo?
Pangalan ng kanta, tapos gusto nung kumanta.
Ano po? Cigarettes After Sex, yung Sunsets.
Sunsets by Cigarettes After Sex. Boyfriend! All 3 ang score natin. Next, ito na kasi yari ka sa kanya pag natalo ka. What genre of shows or movies does Diana usually watch the most? In 3, 2, 1, go! Sakit, di ba? Romance is wrong.
Horror.
Horror is wrong.
Comedy.
Comedy is wrong. Isa na lang.
Rom-com.
Rom-com is wrong. Thriller is wrong. Fantasy is wrong. Ang tamang sagot ay animation. What is Diana's favorite dessert? In 3, 2, 1, go! Okay.
Ito, cheesecake. Ano ba yan?
Mali! Mag-away pa kayo pag natapos nito. Go! Ano po? Mali?
Hindi natin pinakain cheesecake.
Akala mo lang yun, pero hindi. 1.
Tiramisu.
Mali? Sama. Cupcakes is wrong. Last one.
Mango Graham.
Mango Graham is wrong. Ano? Mango ice cream is wrong. The correct answer is, ang sagot ay leche flan. Sayang. Ito na yung moment of truth. One last question. Question number 10. Let's go. Which artist does Diana think deserves way more recognition? In 3, 2, 1, go! Sino?
Banda ba ito, banda?
No, siya ay isa lang.
Si Alex G.